Wednesday, March 18th. Hello, boys and girls. Today, for ELA, I've selected R-controlled vowels. Remember, we also called this the bossy R because he tells the vowels what kind of sound they're going to make all together in the word. So he can be bossy. But he's still polite because he always lets the vowel go first. So let's look at our words here. We have card, C-A-R-D, farm, F-A-R-M, sharp, S-H-A-R-P. All of our words are going to have the R, the R-controlled vowel, the bossy R. Also, these sheets have a little clue here to help us. So anytime we have the tall box, that lets us know it's going to be a letter that goes up. Anytime we have the box that goes down, it's going to be a letter that goes down, maybe like a G or a Y. All right. So, and then also we're going to finish the sentences. If we look at these words, the R controls the sound. So, imagine, look at this word, imagine the word tart. Like a sweet tart or a Pop-Tart, or if something has that really strong tart taste. Tart, T-A-R-T. Now, how would this sound if the R wasn't there? It would be T-A-T, tat. Or imagine if this, H-A-R-D, hard, like the floor is hard, the table is hard, the roof is hard. H-A-R-D, hard, but imagine you take the R out. H-A-D, had. So you see it's the A becomes ard, had, hard, tat, tart. Same thing, F-A-R-M, farm, where you might find cows and chickens, things like that. Take the R out. Fam, like the first part of the word family. Fam, am becomes arm, farm. Okay. With card. So there's two ways you can do this. You can start with the word and try and find where it fits. Or you can start with the sentence and see which word belongs. Let's start with the sentence. The knife is, okay, and it tells us how many letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. We're going to have a tall letter, maybe like an H. We're also going to have a letter that goes down, maybe like a P or a G. We have to look, okay. The knife is, and let's think about it. The knife, what is a knife? Is the knife card? No. Is the knife farm? No, and neither of those are enough letters. What about down here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The knife is shark. Is that right? Shark? S-H-A-R-K? No. What is the answer? Oh, look here. The knife is sharp. Does that make sense? Yes, okay. The knife is sharp. Knives are sharp. S-H-A-R-P. And again, I'm just using a Sharpie to make sure it shows up. But please use a pencil just in case you have to change it. Sharp. Okay, down here, we'll skip down, we'll do the bottom one. The cow lives on the, and when we check it off, we can put a check here, like a check, or if you want, we can even put a line through it, just to make sure that, okay, we're only going to use that word one time. The cow lives on the, well, we're going to start with a letter that goes up. So I know it's not going to be card. And the cow lives on the card. Also, that doesn't make any sense, right? So I look, the cow lives on the farm. Look at that. We have the F. So the F is going to be tall. A, L, little l, lowercase, lowercase. Farm, sorry. Farm. A-R-M. Okay, next the math for today. Mystery letter. Directions. Solve the number sentences in each square, then use the color code below to color the boxes. Find the mystery letter in green. Okay, so we're going to take our crayons, and what do I need? I need a green. Okay, so I need a green. Here's green. Every time I get what? Every time I get 11. It's going to be green. What other colors? I need a yellow. Every time the answer is 12, it's going to be yellow. Every time it's 13, it's going to be what color? Let me get orange. All right. Every time it's 14, it's going to be red. And every time it's 15, it's going to be, what color is that? Brown. Okay, it's going to be brown. There we go. Okay, so we have our colors. Now let's just focus on solving it. 9 plus 2. Let's start with 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11. Okay, so the answer is 11. And we can just solve them all first, then we'll come back, then we'll change them. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. Some of us know those math facts. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. 8 plus 8 is 16. Do we know what 6 plus 6 is? 6 plus 6, and if not, we can smash count. So we start with 6. So we have 6 toys, we have 6 tokens, we have 6 pencils, crayons, so we already have 6. So we're going to say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay. And then on and on I would go for all the problems. Well, now let's look. Once we fill them all in, now we're going to color them in. So this is 11. So what color should this be? Should it be, is it 14? Should it be red? No. Should it be yellow? No, yellow's 12. Should it be 15? No, 15 is brown. There we are, 11, green. It's going to be green. I'd color in the whole box. Color in the whole box. All right. 6 plus 6 is 12. What is 12? Is 12 orange? No, that's 13. Brown? No, that's 15. 12 is yellow, so it's going to be yellow. Just like that. Do we do the whole sheet? All right, boys and girls, until the next video.